In ancient Egypt, thousands of years ago, a workforce came together with remarkable skills and ingenuity to construct the Great Pyramids, a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. Engineers meticulously planned every aspect of the pyramids using advanced mathematics to ensure stability and precision as they envisioned these grand structures that would stand the test of time. To move the enormous stone blocks into place, workers utilized ingenious techniques like lubricating the sand with water to reduce friction, showcasing their understanding of physics in the harsh environment. The construction of the pyramids required not just manpower, but also sophisticated tools and methods which reflected the remarkable craftsmanship and collective effort of ancient Egyptian society. Throughout the construction, social bonds were formed as workers shared meals and stories, creating a sense of community that was essential for enduring the long hours spent laboring under the sun. After years of dedication and innovative engineering, the Great Pyramid stood tall as a symbol of ancient Egypt's glory, reflecting both the technical expertise and the deep cultural significance embedded in its monumental design. As the sun set behind the Great Pyramid, it became not only a burial place for pharaohs, but also a site of worship and reverence forever etched into the hearts of the people who believed it connected them to the divine. Centuries later, the Great Pyramid continues to captivate historians and archaeologists alike as they uncover new findings and unravel the mysteries surrounding its construction and purpose. Today, the Great Pyramid stands not just as a monument to ancient engineering, but also as a beacon of curiosity, drawing countless visitors eager to learn about its fascinating history and the civilization that created it. In the modern era, the Great Pyramid dazzles under the night sky, transforming into a canvas of light and creativity, inspiring new generations to explore the rich tapestry of human achievement. With the advancement of technology, experts continue to study the Great Pyramid, utilizing modern tools to unveil secrets that have remained hidden for millennia, ensuring its story is far from over.